What's up everyone, Alvaro with Via Design. We are Riverside's Ceramic Pro Elite dealer. We have an E91 M3 GTS tribute car. This car is a collaboration between Pit+Paddocks and Bilstein. Just going into a little backstory of this car behind us, it started off as a regular E91 3 Series wagon. They took an E90 M3 donor car, pulled the S65 V8 engine out of it, stroked it up to 4.6 and transplanted it into this wagon. They then took the wide body from an M3, transplanted that front end to this wagon, did custom metal work on the rear quarter panels to flare out those rear quarters, give them that really aggressive finish. So this car came to us so that we could protect this one-of-one fire orange paint with our KAVACA ceramic coated paint protection film. This is an 8mm film designed to protect your vehicle's finish from paint chips, rocks, and other debris that you're going to be encountering on the road. KAVACA is infused with Ceramic Pro's proprietary ceramic coating, making it easy to clean, keeping that really high gloss finish, and making your vehicle look like new for years. One of the difficulties with this particular install is there aren't really any patterns for this vehicle. So what we had to do is we had to do a fully custom installation. We're custom trimming the film to wrap around edges, to wrap around behind the doors, under the hood, under the fenders. We're removing badges to achieve a more seamless and invisible finish. We're even protecting things like the headlights, the carbon fiber lip. We're protecting the fender vents, the rear spoiler. Everything is getting protected. But we were taking the film to its absolute limits, pushing it into these deep valleys and recesses to achieve ultimate protection for this unique paint. All right guys, and that about wraps it up for us. We are Riverside's Ceramic Pro Elite dealer. And if you're interested in joining the anti-rock chip club like this M3 GTS behind us, contact your local Ceramic Pro Elite dealer today.